Olivia had only been at the company for 3 days when the coffee machine broke for the third time that week. She sighed, grabbed the empty pot, and headed toward the break room, hoping someone had already called maintenance. Instead, she found a man in jeans, work boots, and a faded gray hoodie crouched beside the machine with a toolbox. "Rough morning?" he asked with a friendly smile. "You could say that," Olivia replied. "I don't think this office can survive without coffee." He chuckled. "I'll see what I can do." She assumed he was part of the building's maintenance staff. He looked completely comfortable taking the machine apart, and there wasn't a hint of formality about him. "I'm Olivia," she said. "Ethan, nice to meet you." As he worked, they chatted about the weather, traffic, and how overwhelming it felt to start a new job. Ethan listened more than he talked, asking thoughtful questions and never interrupting. "I hope I make a good impression," Olivia admitted. "You probably already have," he replied. "You don't even know me." "I know you're kind enough to thank the maintenance guy." She laughed. "Well, someone has to keep this place running." After a few minutes, the coffee machine hummed back to life. "There you go," Ethan said, wiping his hands with a cloth. "You're a lifesaver. I'll take that as today's compliment." Before leaving, Olivia handed him one of the blueberry muffins she had brought from home. For fixing the coffee, he accepted it with a grateful smile. "Best payment I've received all week." Monday morning arrived with unusual excitement. Employees hurried into the auditorium for an all-hands meeting. Olivia found a seat near the back. The head of human resources stepped onto the stage. "Good morning, everyone. Today we're excited to welcome our new Chief Executive Officer." The room filled with applause. Olivia looked toward the stage. Her heart nearly stopped. Walking confidently to the microphone was Ethan. The same Ethan from the break room. The same man she had mistaken for the maintenance worker. He wasn't wearing a hoodie anymore. Instead, he was dressed in a tailored navy suit. Olivia's face turned bright red. "Oh no," she whispered. Ethan began his speech. "I've spent the past week quietly visiting different departments and meeting people without introducing myself." The audience exchanged curious glances. "I wanted to see the company through fresh eyes." His gaze briefly landed on Olivia. "I learned something important." He smiled warmly. "The people who treat everyone with respect are usually the people worth promoting." Olivia looked down, embarrassed. After the meeting, she expected to receive an awkward email or perhaps a polite greeting. Instead, her phone rang. "The CEO would like to see you." Her stomach dropped. She walked nervously into Ethan's office. "I'm so sorry," she blurted out. "I thought you worked in maintenance." Ethan laughed. "I know. I can't believe I gave the CEO a muffin." It was an excellent muffin. She couldn't help smiling. "I must have looked ridiculous." "Actually," Ethan said, "you treated me exactly the way every leader hopes employees treat one another, with kindness, patience, and respect, without caring about someone's title." He paused. "That tells me more about your character than any resume ever could." Olivia left his office feeling lighter than when she had entered. She had worried that mistaking the CEO for the maintenance guy would become the most embarrassing moment of her career. Instead, it became the reason the company's newest leader remembered her. Not for a mistake, but for treating a stranger with simple human kindness.